glimpse of my past. Saw my young and fearless self reflected in the glass. Those sweet memories sparked a fire in my soul. Time to shake things up, time to rock and roll. Hit a dealership, bought a ride with some class. Got a red set of wheels, feeling top of my class. Threw on some leather, a beret on my head, and some aviator glasses, feeling ready to shred. Oh, I got the midlife lizard blues. Camouflage of distractions help uplift my lizard hues. Sometimes I'm offbeat, but I'm giving it a shot. Today is my moment and it's all that I've got. I used to own the dance floor with my smooth moves and flow. I had those lizard ladies lining up for the show. I ruled the lizard discotheque from dusk until dawn. Now the spotlight is gone, but I still carry on. Coffee shops and enjoying a brew, watching people passing by, every moment feels new. Been taking yoga lessons, learning how to breathe in deep. This chameleon is changing, finding mindful new peace. Oh, I got the midlife lizard blues. Camouflage of distractions help uplift my lizard hues. But I'm giving it a shot. Today is my moment and it's all that I've got. Every wrinkle tells a story, every tale has a past. So I wear them all with glory and enjoy them while they last. In the mirror I see a wisdom now and not just an old age. And I'm grateful every day that I can rise.